Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Best Life and Beyond. We're back at Disneyland Resort and we have a lot of updates. Oh my gosh.
So many. Wow.
Yeah.
We have a lot.
Chock full. We're going to start off, I know we're at Disneyland, but we're going to head over to the Esplanade. We're going to go over to DCA. There's been some developments in the way of a new gate that we talked about earlier this week.
Yeah.
So they're doing a test.
Yeah, they're doing a test. We're going to have some fun, and we're going to update you on some major changes
Oh
that
my
were
gosh.
announced here at Disneyland.
Yeah, I feel like these updates overshadow the gate, which I didn't expect that. Earlier when we knew about the gate, I was like, oh, it's going to be huge. And then I'm like, oh, wait, no. So get ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go. We are now headed into DCA. We're going to check out the new entry gates.
Yeah, the new scanner system that it is.
Yeah.
I'm really curious to see what it's like.
Yeah.
So they're doing a little testing, and we get to be part of that test.
A little test and adjust. We're going to just test.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Hey! So in the future, this isn't going to be part of the process. This is just kind of keeping track.
Got you.
So you're going to put this at phone,
Either way.
one by one. They're going to take a picture one more time, but we're not going to keep it. Just
Okay.
take that testing right now.
Oh, okay.
And you're going to go through right here, one by
In
one.
the
please.
future, are they going to take your photo every single
I don't
time?
think so.
You don't think
Because
so?
we have a
Because
we
it's
have
the
picture.
same thing on
Kind of
your
like if
back
it's on
plate.
file, then they do.
So for ticket holders, ideally, they would get their photo taken for that ticket.
Got
that
it.
makes sense.
Timers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then it'd be faster than
Yes.
when we do it normally,
Yeah.
right?
Technically, yeah, because you're just doing it yourself.
Yeah.
And unless there's problems, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, and it looks like it's big enough for strollers, as this person in front of us is doing a stroller.
All right.
Okay, here
There's
we go.
what it says.
I'm gonna scan my ticket. Tap to take photo. I wasn't even ready. Okay, now I gotta do yours. All right. Okay, now we walk through.
All right. Then we come in.
And we did it. Have a great day.
Look, it's a Mickey right there, hidden Mickey. Thank you so much. Cool.
That was fun.
It will be more efficient when it's actually active,
I
right?
think once it's active and once people catch on, I think
Yeah.
that's going to be the harder part, is the people not catching on or having difficulties for whatever reason.
I think the photo part, though, is more efficient.
Yeah,
don't
the
know.
photo part, it seems more efficient. It's like,
And it's a hidden Mickey. How cool is that?
yeah, and the only thing is, though, is like that photo took, I didn't even know it was taking the photo at the time. I was like,
Here goes Clarabelle. Hi, Clarabelle.
hi, Clarabelle. I feel like there are quite a few things they are going to have to adjust. One of those things being, like, how do you know when the photo is being taken? Like, that happens so fast. The other thing is, I really can see that being a backup problem. Like, that could take quite some time for people to catch on. Not only that, but the other thing I'm thinking about is, like, if there's an issue or, like, your ticket's not scanning or whatever, how is that going to, work? Like, they really need to be able to push people aside and say, hey, let's deal with this. You
Yeah.
guys continue going through. That still is a problem, even with how it is now.
Yeah.
Another thing is that we recognize, because I usually scan the tickets for the both of us, that just isn't available right now to do multiple people at a time.
Yeah.
So I think once that is on, I think that'll definitely help. And, they obviously have somebody standing there watching.
Yeah.
So is it a good thing? I feel like time will tell, right?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
It does look cool. It looks pretty efficient to me, but
Well, and
we'll see.
I just think that also, as you start to grow with these types of things, you have to have newer technology.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
because it shows that you're trying to be efficient,
Right.
and all that kind of stuff.
Right.
The plexi gates, success. Well, would you look who it is? Looking dapper. Looking dapper, as always. You go. Hey, before we go through the tunnel, look. Disneyland Extravaganza 2024. There you go, it's happening. Both parks and Downtown Disney. But we're gonna head in. Ah, look at that cool dog. Hey, buddy.
Great Dane.
And as it's been for a while, we still have graphic scrims on City Hall and the fire department. That's how they keep Disneyland so perfect, is they have to do projects like that from time to time because weather, wear, all that stuff. I mean,
Look at these pretty flowers
Yeah.
Prettier by the day.
Main Street, USA. We're back. We're gonna get a locker because we brought sweatshirts and it was cold on the tram ride. Trust me, but it is warmed up nicely. That's how it's been lately.
The weather's been so unpredictable.
Yeah. Going past the test wall. What up, test wall? Always smells like sunscreen in here. Katie told me that one time years ago, and it's true. Oh, so much nicer. Thank you, lockers. Da, 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 da. Astro Orbiter. Hey, look. The door's open. Uh-oh, they're coming out of there. What's going on? He's been inside. He knows things. He knows that that ride will make you nauseous. Katie's going to be there the day it reopens.
Ha! No.
Katie's challenge is going to ride Astro Orbiter all day.
No way. I would fail.
So this is where all the people have been hiding. 25 minutes.
25 and that's 20.
Huh. I never believe that when it's going into the extended queue over here.
But maybe the queue isn't really going on the inside.
All right, Galactic Grill. I got the meteorite burger. You've seen it on this channel before. Katie got the salad. There you go. She got that weird taro drink thing. We are joined by Dylan, Theme Park Obsession. Did you get fish and chips?
I did, because I didn't know that they had fish and chips at Galactic Grill, aka Tomorrowland Terrace, and I said it backwards on my channel. So I got the fish and chips. Why not? I think Epcot has the best fish and chips, but hey, you never know what
agree.
Disneyland's gonna give to the table here. And I also got the intergalactic slime sludge drink.
It's taro. It's taro. It's delicious.
What did you convince me to get?
Just mix it up.
Okay.
Do a little mix and then take a little sip.
Intergalactic mix here.
Yes, intergalactic mix.
Okay, let's take a sip.
Okay. Get some boba in there at the bottom.
Oh, that's actually not. You have to mix it though, because
Yes, it's too sweet.
this is actually not sweet at all. The blue part.
Because that's the butterfly tea.
Oh.
Yeah, would you like we both like
Yeah,
it.
no, this is legit. This
And
is
then
really
the
good.
taro
Looks like
is kinda
it should be in a
earthy.
barrel in a vat in Roger Rabbit's
Dude, it's
cartoon
the-
spin or something.
The
dip.
dip.
It's the dip, yeah.
It's the opposite of the dip though, because the dip is green.
It's the cousin of the dip.
Isn't it good though? And then you get the blueberry boba.
All right, since we're in Tomorrowland, Dylan was informing me that you see this Disney Vacation Club UFO right here? Right there. They're aliens, by the way. I don't know if you know that. Mickey Mouse has emerged from the UFO to help everybody with their Disney Vacation Club memberships or trying to get you to purchase it. Come on in, he says. Pretty cool. Look, you can go to the Starview Station if you become a DVC member. All right, we're jumping on the Mark Twain. Just in time. Ah, yes, the old Mark Twain. Dylan's enjoying himself up here on the deck.
That's what I call the 1930s jig.
All right, look at Pirates. Not too bad. It's just to the bridge there. And now we take a look at Tiana's, and then right next door, see what we can see. Oh, there's a giant earth mover in there. That is so weird. You would never know. Look at the big loader.
We're now passing Fowler's Harbor. This is homeport for the three-masted windjammer, the Columbia, the first American ship.
The train's about to leave over there.
Here's a bit of history for you.
You can see through
The
to
Columbia set sail from
what
Boston
was
Harbor in
part of the backyard.
1787. She
The
rounded
front yard
Cape
is looking
Horn,
crazy.
became the first
There's another
American ship to
piece
carry
of
the stars and stripes
equipment. They're
around
digging
the
something in the
world.
back. And then the front yard here.
Beyond
Whoa.
those levee walls on the port side is the bayou. Future home, says Tiana, swears there's magic out there. And wherever you find magic, you're bound to find surprises. Blue skies and sunshine guaranteed.
All right, taking a look at Tiana's. Nothing changed over here in the horseshoe. Flowers, moss, all that type of stuff, so it doesn't look like a mountain much anymore. Ooh, here's an interesting view. The Critter Country sign's still there. Wow, get towards Mansion. Big loader over there for the new gift shop. Oh, Hungry Bear. It's about that time. It's like noon, so it's jammed. Hungry Bear's so jammed. Oh, there goes the train. We just missed it. Could have had the shaving a haircut. Not today. There's Tiana. She's getting ready to board. There's Tony. All right. Thank you, Mark Twain. Hi, Tiana.
Thank you.
Rivers of America. Oh, so those are those weird things we saw. Now they're covered up with tarps. Probably where those vaults are. Anyways, it continues. The development continues, Katie.
Yeah, it's like they're doing I mean, I keep forgetting though that Fantasmic's coming really soon.
Well, that's the thing. So, yeah, who knows? I never noticed that nest right there here at Pelicans. I wonder if there's eggs in there. All right, we're at the intersection of Mansion and Tiana's, and it's like a surround sound of construction ambiance. If you were to look this up to try to find this sound effect, construction ambiance, construction room tone. It's kind of an interesting zone in here in this triangle. We're gonna go right to the corner. It gets really loud in here. We're right there at the intersection. Please keep dry. Checking out the flowers on Tiana's there. So you got to see Dylan's video. He's got more footage of this guy doing this from another angle that you have to see. It's pretty cool, pretty intense. A lot of work going on. All right, we're in Critter Country, and obviously, and remember earlier when I said, hey, we got a big update, like huge, bigger than the gates up front and all that stuff? Well, we're about to tell it to you, and it relates to Critter Country, and it relates to Tiana's and all that stuff, and Katie's going to tell you because it's a lot of details.
So the major things you need to know, this was just announced yesterday, that Tiana, in addition to Eudora's shop over there in New Orleans Square, in addition to Tiana's Palace, the restaurant in New Orleans Square, she's getting her attraction here in Critter Country. Well, Tiana, if you are a fan, you're going to be very excited because she's getting 2 more stores.
Yes.
First one is Ray's Berets.
Oh, Ray.
So the former little hat store there, the Briar Patch.
The Briar Patch, yeah. The sign was just taken down like a week ago, we noticed,
Yeah.
in preparation for that.
Now, something I wanted to point out about that sign before I tell you about the other store, Ray's Berets, I noticed it's in that same kind of Splash Mountain font.
Oh.
If you're looking at the concept art here, you can kind of see how...
Oh, that's right. Weird.
It's very interesting. Now, again, this is concept art, so will it actually look that way? I'm not sure. And then, so we'll see. And it looks like it's, to me, I feel like it'll be pretty much the same, minus those like roots that used to kind of grow in from the ceiling there, because it was almost like a patch, like the Briar Patch almost had like, carrots growing in and roots, stuff like that. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. The only change will be maybe some like firefly lights and stuff that you'd see from the bayou. I think it'll just continue that Tiana's theme there. And the second store is going to be taking up half of the Pooh Corner location, and it's going to be called Lewis's Critter Club. I think I'm saying that right, Lewis or Louise? Lewis? I don't know, tongue twister. Anyway, a lot of people thinking, oh my gosh, Pooh Corner is going to be completely gone, but no. The Pooh Corner treats area, it's all still going to be there. I don't know exactly where that dividing line's going to go.
I have a feeling, this is just me guessing, I have a feeling that they're going to have just past the treats, there's that one little room that they'll still have Winnie the Pooh type stuff. And then I think it'll change.
Yeah.
That's my guess. I don't know. I could be completely wrong. It might just be the treats.
Yeah. And
then put some merch in there and that's it. But.
Yeah. Then I'm wondering about the photos, because you used to be able to like buy your photos, but now people don't really do that as much. It's kind of like scan your Magic Band or like download the photo pass code. So I'm not sure exactly if that would be part of that or if that'll be still where it used to be right when you exited the attraction. So either way, those are 2 new stores. So those areas, including pretty much most of this area.
So my question is, when will this kind of construction start? And Is it going to affect the travel into Critter Country and how far can you go and all that? That's my concern.
Okay, so May 1st is when it all starts, and it looks like as of right now, it's just the Winnie the Pooh attraction that'll also close with it. I'm assuming
They'll put a wall up right there.
Yeah, I'm assuming Pooh Corner is also going to close. Look for all that. There's no like actual announcement date of when it's going to start,
right?
When it's all going to open. I almost want to say maybe when the attraction opens, but maybe who knows?
The other thing I was thinking was a lot of references to Bear Country still in here, like just a couple of things that I saw. Also, the restroom sign outside that bear. If they take away restroom bear, I'm going to be bummed. All right, so we're over here. We're in the zone in Critter Country by Pooh Corner.
Yeah,
you can tell.
Left of it.
Yeah, this is where the bear chair used to be, by the way.
Oh,
it was either right here or it was like over there, but I recall it being over here. But I think this is where this will be the new store. Maybe they'll divide it right here and leave this room is what I originally thought. And then this room would become the new, because it's got a different floor and everything. Yeah, I bet you this is. Does that mean that the Bluebird mailbox is...
It's been gone, right?
I don't know.
I think it's been gone. Since it's been gone.
Checking out the old decor that eventually will go into Yesterland. Look, you can see the hives. Now the concept art doesn't show that, Teddy Bars is still up there and all that. So are all references to either Bear Country and or Winnie the Pooh going to be gone? Is that and only on that other side, because you've got all these elements over here. So I don't know.
As long as they keep Teddy Barra's arcade, because that reminds you of the Country Bear Jamboree, that pays homage to that. Now Mr. Sanders' house and all the Kanga and all that, I understand that'll be gone because everything Winnie the Pooh is going to stay over that side.
And the Pooh Corner sign over there.
Yeah, the Pooh Corner sign, that's where Louie's Critter sign is going to be.
And then Mr. Bluebird's mailbox.
Which, like I said, I think it's been gone.
It's been gone.
Yep.
All right, so we're in Galaxy's Edge, and it has been announced that for Season of the Force, they're going to do a special fireworks presentation in Galaxy's Edge called Fire of the Rising Moons, starting April 5th on select nights only. Now, what does this mean? Well, basically, it's the same fireworks show that they're showing in Disneyland, except when you're over here off planet, you're going to get special music, including John Williams, multiple viewing areas, obviously one over by the Millennium Falcon and another one by the TIE Echelon. I just hope that they're going to put in the Force Ghost, project them up on that walkway above the Millennium Falcon. Special fireworks just for Season of the Force, starting April 5th. It's going to be awesome. All right, we made it back over to Main Street. We're headed to get some ice cream. Well, these guys are. I'm not getting any ice cream. It's like I'm into ice cream, but I'm just not every time.
You're not like me. And it's not salt and straw.
No.
If it were salt and straw, you might partake.
Hey, check out that candy apple. It's very springtimey. Pastel yellow. Tony got cookie dough. Katie.
Mint and chip, and then Dylan got cookies and cream.
Oh, there he is. He's hiding out over there.
Kind of celebrating the first day of spring, even though it's not really, it was yesterday, but it's belated.
I was feeling a little sprung today.
Me too.
We had a lot of blund.
We had blend.
We had a lot of blend today.
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
That's blast and fun is what that is. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Wait, I was still kind of like, okay, hold on.
We're not editing any of this out. We're leaving this in.
Really?
Yeah. We'll see you next time, you guys.
Wait, no, for real? You weren't kidding.
No, okay. It was serious.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
Everyone.